lot of colors and shapes on that thing. Come on.
What interested him so much? Ethan, are you getting your man training early? Learning all about remote controls? Football games? Yeah. That's important stuff to know, isn't it? Very important. There's nothing better than watching bowl games. And you gotta learn how to use one of these to watch those. Right? Yay! Say go, team, go. To sleep. Go to sleep. He's not a dog.
Ethan. Let's get you situated correct. Let's sit like that. That's better.
Hi, Ethan.
Oops.
Ethan, you're acting very floppy tonight. What are you doing? Funny.
You want me to stop it?
He's sleepy.
Ethan, do you want me to stop it? He's moving his face. Going back to the man toy.
Back to the remote. It's better than all the toys in the toy box. You could fall asleep looking at it.
You're doing good. What does that thing sound like? Mama.
Hi, Ethan. You don't seem very sleepy now. I thought you were going to bed. Tell me about it. You're a very busy boy. You ready to go night-night?
He's rocking back and forth.
Okay, Ethan, time to get sleepy. Baby, go night-night.